Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix some of the settings are hidden or managed by your organization. Let's fix it guys. For that, go to search menu and type notepad. Click on open it guys. New notepad. You just need to check my video description for this command used code guys. You just need to copy this code used in my video. You just need to copy it and you just need to paste it in the new folder we just opened up. Click on file, click on save as. File name you just need to name it as whatever you want it, but last letter should be .bat, and save as type to all files and select save, and after saving it close out of here and right click on the batch file we just created it. Right click on it, select run as administrator and select yes. Wait for it and until this process done. Go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem will be resolved. But if you still having a problem after restarting your PC, let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type gp edit. Opens up edit group policy. Click on open it guys. This is the second solution. For that you just need to click on the computer configuration under administrative templates, Windows compounds, and search for data collection and preview builds. Click on it. On right side double click on the allow telemetry, double click on it, and you just want to select enabled, and you just need to select the option 3 optionals and select apply and OK. After doing it, select minimize guys. Wait for it, and after doing it you just want to right click on the start icon, select Windows PowerShell admin, click on as. Now in this PowerShell window you just need to type gp update space /force gp update space /force, press enter. Wait for it. Computer policy update has completed successfully. After finishing this, minimize it guys, just minimize it. Go to edit group policy again, double click on the admin allow telemetry, double click on it, and now you just want to select not configured now, and after selecting not configured you just need to set apply and OK. After doing it, close out of here guys. Now go to PowerShell again. Now you just need to type again gp update space /force gp update space /force, press enter. Wait for it until this process done. After finishing this process completely, close out of here, and you just want to restart your PC guys. Go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.